In a world where compact SUVs are becoming the heartbeat of urban driving, Hyundai has once again raised the bar. Introducing the 2025 Hyundai Venue, a small SUV with big ambitions, cutting-edge features, and style that turns heads wherever it goes. Camera pans across the sharp LED headlamps, the redesigned cascading grille, and sleek body lines. The 2025 Venue is all about making a strong first impression. The new front fascia boasts a bolder grille pattern, flanked by crisp LED headlights and distinctive daytime running lights. Its sculpted profile flows into a confident rear end with updated LED tail lamps and a sporty bumper. Whether in urban streets or on a weekend getaway, the Venue's fresh design speaks confidence. Performance engine. Footage of the Venue cruising through city traffic, then shifting to a winding country road. Narrator. Under the hood, the 2025 Hyundai Venue offers an efficient yet responsive driving experience. Powered by a refined 1.6-liter SmartStream petrol engine, paired with either a smooth 6-speed manual or Hyundai's intelligent variable transmission, IVT, the Venue delivers a perfect balance of power and fuel efficiency. With agile handling and a comfortable ride, it's built for the demands of modern life. Shots of the premium cabin, touchscreen infotainment system, and spacious seating. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that blends practicality with premium touches. From soft-touch materials to the leather-wrapped steering wheel, the Venue offers comfort without compromise. Its advanced 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, ensuring you stay connected on every journey. With ample legroom, smart storage solutions, and a spacious boot, it's ready for both weekday commutes and weekend escapes. Safety, Nissan, display of digital instrument cluster, wireless charging, and safety features. Technology is at the heart of the 2025 Venue. The digital instrument cluster gives you vital information at a glance, while wireless charging keeps your devices powered. On the safety front, Hyundai's Smart Sense suite offers features like forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, driver attention warning, and more because peace of mind should come standard. Customization variants, montage of different trims, colors, and wheel designs. The 2025 Venue is available in multiple trims, offering a range of exterior colors and wheel options to match your personality. Whether you choose the entry model for practicality or the top variant for a fully loaded experience, every Venue is crafted with Hyundai's signature attention to detail. Sunset shot of the Venue parked by the waterfront, lights on, reflecting in the water. Stylish, smart, and surprisingly spacious. The 2025 Hyundai Venue isn't just another compact SUV, it's your perfect everyday partner. Step into the future of urban driving. Step into the new Hyundai Venue. 2025. Hyundai Venue, big on life, small in size.